In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter cards by member on your Trello project board, making your project management efforts more tailored and streamlined. Understanding this process can significantly enhance your productivity, so let's get right into it. First, navigate to your Trello project board. Open your browser and head over to Trello's website, logging in if necessary. Once logged in, locate your project board by either searching for it if you have multiple boards or selecting it from your visible options. It's important to ensure you are on the correct board before proceeding, as this could save time and prevent any confusion. Once you've accessed the right board, the next thing to do is to interact with the interface. At the top right corner of your board, you will see an icon represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or board menu. Go ahead and click on that to open up more options. This menu is where you can access several important features for managing your board effectively. But today we'll be focusing on filtering cards by members. After clicking on the 3 horizontal lines, you should see a list of options related to your project board settings and features. Look for the filter option, which should allow you to sort through various criteria. Within this section, you should find options to filter the cards, including by member. Now, click on the members you want to filter by. A list or a grid of team members who are part of that project board should appear, showing their names or profile pictures. Carefully select the members whom you want to filter the cards for. By doing this, Trello automatically adjusts the display to show only those cards associated with the selected members. This feature is particularly useful if you need to check the status of tasks assigned to specific individuals, or if you're overseeing the workload distribution among your team. Take a moment to ensure you have selected the correct members. If you need to adjust your selection, simply click on the member's name or icon again to deselect or include additional team members. This dynamic filtering feature is a fantastic way to gain insight into specific subsets of your project and keep track of their progress without being overwhelmed by the entire board at once. And that's it. You've successfully filtered cards by member on your Trello board. This process can be a game changer for managing collaborations efficiently and understanding who's responsible for what. Practice this a few times to get really comfortable, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from a more organized and effective project management system.